Hi guys, I'm Shikha and I am at the Lakme Fashion Week Winter Festive, and I'm here with the lovely Sanjana, who's demonstrated a few trends that are going to be the in thing for the upcoming festive season. So let's get started. Okay, so Sanjana, starting with eyes. What according to you is a really big trend for the upcoming festive season?
It's more to do with a lot of colors, as festival is all about colors for India and all of us here. So it's going to be colored graphic eyeliner and maybe a pop-up color in your lips too. So it's blue eyes, orange lips, pink blush, all that. So let's start with the eyes.
Yes, let's go.
So we'll start with a graphic blue cobalt eye pencil. For you to do it yourself, you keep your eyes slightly open and try to get the end of your eyes and take a line outside. That's how you'll get the shape right for this. You will blend this out, just smudge it a little. That's your first stroke of your eye look. Second would be on the inner corner. Now this would be mainly the lower lash line. So to finish the look, we'll do a lot of mascara from the same range, and we'll never pump the mascara, we'll always swirl. So maybe 2-3 coats of mascara. That's your eye look, your graphic eyeliner with a lot of mascara. Yeah. Generally, if you're doing like a bold eye, you would go with a little muted lip and a muted face. I mean, maybe just shimmer happening, like a highlighter and a nude lip and stuff. But then because the trend right now is all about color, we'll be doing a little bold lip wherein we'll be showing you an orange, dewy orange look.
Okay, so let's do the orange lip now then.
So to start with the lips, always lip line. For any dark shade or light shade, lip lining does the work. We'll start with the Cupid's bow first. We'll even fill inside, not just the lip line. And then we'll overlap this with the lip color.
Okay, so when it comes to lip liner, a lot of people tend to overline their lips or try to change the shape of their lip using the liner. What's your take on that, and what's the right way to do it?
The right way would be like sticking very close to your lip line, but like one step above it maybe. And the most important thing would be after overlining, do fill in. Because when you don't fill in, that's when you see the difference happen.
And how do you pick which one is the right lip liner with your lip color? How do you mix and match the shades?
Always stick to the closest shade to your lipstick. So if like I'm gonna go orange, then I will go for the closest orange. If say suppose you think your lipstick is light and you want to make it deeper, choose a color of the same shade, same family, but maybe one shade darker.
Well, ideally the lip liner should be darker or lighter.
Darker. Let's color your lips with the orange showgirl. Half your work is done when your lip liner is done right.
That's it guys, those were some really cool tips, Sanjana. Thank you so much. I hope you guys learned something from it, and if you guys recreate these looks, then don't forget to tag us, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.